Okay, so on number 11, we're going to check to see if there's any distributing or combining of like terms. On the left side of the equal sign, we have the distributive property. We need to take 3/4 of -8 and 3/4 of 12. For those of you who don't remember, you can draw the model and say that this is 8 and cut it up into fourths and say how much does 1 need to be in order to make 8. So 8 divided by 4 is 2. I need 3 of those. So 3/4 of 8 would be 6. So 3/4 of -8 is going to be a -6. And then you can just replace the 8 with a 12 and take 3/4 of 12 and cross out these 2's. So 12 divided by 4 parts is 3. I need 3 of those. So 3/4 of 12R is 9R. Remember, I'm taking 1/4 of 8. 1/4 of 8 is 2. I want 3 of them, so that makes 6. And then 1/4 of 12 is 3. I want 3 of them, that makes 9. Equals, this side has only combining like terms. It doesn't have any distributive property. So my like terms are 10R minus R, which makes 9R. And then we have these two like terms in the middle. The negative is not a tag along on the 17, or the minus is not a tag along on the 17. It's telling you that 17 is a negative, or we have taken away 17 and now we're going to add 11. So if we're at -17 on the number line, we add 11, that moves to the right. So it becomes a -6, not a -28. So this right here is step 1. We just combined like terms and distributed. Okay, step 2 is to ask yourself if there are variables on both sides. So we're looking at the left side. On the left side, these are not like terms. On the right side, these are not like terms, but we do have variables on both sides. We cannot combine them because they're on opposite sides. They're the same number, so I'm going to minus 9R because it's a positive, and a minus 9R because it's a positive. And working left to right, I bring down the -6. 9R minus 9R, that should make 0, equals 9R minus 9R, that should make 0, and I bring down this -6. And that is step 2. Step 3 is there a number next to the variable? There is no variable. So now we go to that transitional step of true or false. Does -6 equal -6? Is that a true statement? Well, if I add the same number to both sides, no matter what number that will be, they will always be equal. So that's a true statement. -6 is the same as -6. So that's called infinite solutions. There is no step 3 or step 4 on this problem, just the first 2 steps.